God, I am horrible at picking up this camera consistently. I have no idea what I'm actually doing today. I think I might just go for a bit of a drive and film it. Get some Tommy sounds and whatnot, some photography places, and try to do some cinematic stuff, because I've got a couple of ideas in the works. I'm just waiting for a mate's car and then do a bit of a feature on him. So we'll need some cinematic stuff there, so we thought I'd go practice some of that. So let's get started. However, when you've got brake dust all over your front wheels, caked in it, I think the car needs a clean before we go and do anything. All done. Nice and clean. Driving. Got the squeaky sound in the front of the engine, which I believe is the serpentine belt, so I'm gonna have to go and replace that sometime soon. It's a little bit annoying. It's quite interesting, the OEM part from Nissan, 130 bucks New Zealand, and then going and getting an aftermarket belt from the local car shop is 130 bucks. So might as well go get a genuine piece. Probably lasts longer than half the aftermarket pieces do, so weird. Let's go. First time doing this in a while. So I'm just gonna go and try and find a nice location to get some cinematic shots, some photos, somewhere different. I think I got one by the prison. I'm gonna go try there first and see how that goes. This GoPro's on like 30%. I don't know why. Really weird how you can charge something and then never not use it and then it dies. I will say I recently made the front suspension a bit softer. Much better ride quality, but also just handling in general is just better. I don't know if I'm going to switch out the Tommy anytime soon. It's pretty loud. Although, I mean, I'm just like cab back, so from Y pipe back, I guess, is probably what it technically actually is. But I want some, I want to tune it, but then obviously tuning just with a catback's a bit, you know, a bit of a waste of time. So I want to get a Y pipe and some test pipes, but then on the Tommy, I think that's just going to be ridiculously loud. I'm not sure I'm really interested in having ridiculously loud screaming trumpets everywhere I go, considering I also daily drive this. So recommendations for exhausts that everyone's running after running a Tommy, even maybe for a test pipe and catback. The Tommy's pretty quiet when you're just cruising around, to be honest. Like, the road is noisier than the Tommy is. Just thinking somewhere along here. You know, could be kind of cool. I think like behind that gate would be pretty cool. I mean, beside the gate. Just leave it on. No parking. Someone's probably going to get pissed off. Oh well. Taking photos, boys. Back to the other camera. Cool, got a couple of shots of the camera. Not too great because the sun's that way and I'm shooting that way, so I'm shooting towards the sun. Doesn't work too well. Kind of like the backdrop. It'd be kind of cool if I can actually get in there. Probably have to contact a person though. I don't have a gimbal or anything like that, so all the shots are kind of just handheld, trying to be as still as possible and just experimenting, see what we can get. and cyclists sitting in the middle of the road. It's always great fun. You know, you go around a corner and there might be a cyclist sitting there. Like these guys, right here. You know, it's an 80k road, but hey, let's cycle on it, you know? Cool, so I'll leave it at that. 2 cinematic shots and 2 photography style shots, and obviously the same locations. I haven't used the prison location before, but it's probably not the best, but it's different. And this location, I've come up here a couple of times, actually a couple of vlogs ago. I filmed up here as well. Really popular spot for photography up here, which is cool because it's actually just like an empty car park. If you like this style of vlog, let me know, and I'll try to do some more. Got some mods and stuff at my house, and some more on the way for the Z, so I'm quite excited to get back into that. Trying to build something consistent in terms of vlogging content. So yeah, let me know if you like this kind of vlog, and I'll try and do some more of it. Peace.